Let's give the regular tomatoes to a break, guys, and try out this tasty, delicious, and mouth-watering Gizzdodo sauce. Hey, Clarence Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you follow this recipe step by step, this will be your favorite sauce anytime, any day. Please stay tuned. You will need gizzard, plantains, fresh tomatoes, fresh bell peppers and fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, onions, garlic and ginger, salt and olive oil. From the freezer, I brought out the gizzards and with a large amount of water and salt, I washed it thoroughly, scraping out the parts that needs to be scraped in order to come out clean, and went ahead to cook with only salt. While the gizzard is cooking, I washed the tomatoes and cut it into tiny cubes. I also washed my bell peppers with salt and water and cut them into pieces. This is the part I love most, cutting or chopping vegetables into cubes. I do it very well that they all come out in the same shape and size. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome to Clarence Kitchen. Here we give out easy step-by-step superb food recipe for healthy living. Please join the family by clicking on your subscription button and on the notification bell to see our next video anytime it drops. Thank you for doing that. I chopped the red and spring onions. If you don't enjoy chopping vegetables, there's another alternative, using a slicing machine. It is safe, easier and faster. With a local mortar, I pounded the pepper, ginger and garlic to paste. You can use your electric blender if you have one. For the plantains, I washed it, cut it into tiny pieces, add a small amount of salt, mix and fry it till it's well cooked and golden brown. At this point, the gizzard is soft and well cooked, so I drained it and cut it into tiny pieces. I fried it to have that crunchy and sweet taste. At this point, all my ingredients are ready. I firstly heat the oil and go in with all the veggies that I chopped earlier. I sauteed those vegetables. While doing this, you don't need to cover the pot because you don't want too much moisture. Please don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment. And if you don't have anything to say, just leave a heart emoji for me. Thank you.
It's good. Woo! Shit. This is sumptuous food, man. I'm gonna eat this with the sunshine. That's good, man. Subscribe to Clarence Kitchen.
This is a candid
Whenever
review.
you go there,
Please
you
don't
see one
forget
house.
to like and comment. See you on my next video. Bye.